Oh. No touching, no touching. No touching. She's still touching. And putting in him up. Hi guys. So today, welcome to my YouTube channel with my brand new camera. So I'm showing off. So today we're at Hope Zoo because we now have camels in Jamaica. And we're going to check out Mommy.
Hi guys. There's Savannah.
And Savannah is here. So we're going to check out the camels, and this is actually my second time coming to the zoo in the last month. Just because like the zoo is nice. It's really hot and you know I'm not an outdoorsy kind of person. I'm really not an outdoorsy kind of person. So we're going to check out the parrots and then we're going to check out the camels, and we're going to see, you know, Savannah and Levi in the zoo. Zooing. Not Spider-Man pose, regular pose.
No, I would not like that.
I would love that. Oh, you know who that monkey looks like? Look at the face good. Looks like Levi. Where is the parrot? Show, where's the parrot?
Hello.
It's a macaw. It's a macaw. Hello. See him there? Can you see him?
Mommy.
Turn the dirt. Remi is the smartest one. Is she sleeping?
No.
Hi, Rem. Say hi. All right, come on. I remember coming here for parties to kiss up over here, peel up over here, drunk and fall down up here. True story.
Come on, guys, I see some animals. Come on, the first animal.
The first animal?
In here.
Female is the ugly one.
All I see is a beautiful carnival headpiece. Why can you make him fluff up himself? This is not great footage. Psst, psst, bark! Bark! Oh. No touching, no touching. No touching. She's still touching. And putting in him up!
Commercial break.
Oh, it's a camel feeding photo. Okay. I want to do that. Just, oh, he's pooping! He's pooping, he's pooping. He raises his bum off the ground and releases little pebbles or large pebbles. Ew. So when you're coming to the zoo, make sure you bring mommy juice. It helps. Cheers. And then you bring kitty juice. Show me your kitty juice, Sav.
Cheers.
Remember you having a good day at the zoo?
Guys, look, they
Say
have
cheese.
humpies.
Smile.
They have three. Yeah, they
Cheese,
have
Rem.
one humpies.
He only has one hump?
Yeah.
It look like that's a camel. Or maybe a camel with two humps might be handy. 1, 2. Is that in your favorite book? Okay, go. Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jodi. This week we're at the zoo. We're actually, alright, let's do like a day in the life of Levi and Remi. So today we're starting out at the zoo, and we're in Jamaica. We're in Kingston, Jamaica, and this is Hope Zoo. And we have quite a lot of animals, but the newest exhibit is open, the camels. And we've seen the zookeeper. It's kind of hot, so we're gonna watch him feed the camels. Stay tuned.
But I am gonna feed.
You're gonna feed the goat. We need to feed them. Oh, look, the little ostrich has come to stare you down. Don't go too close. Don't scare him. Oh, don't scare him, Levi. He's come over to say hi. She's kind of, oh, look at the side of her head.
But she has light blue braids. I don't like light blue.
Why?
Because
Oh, Savannah, you don't like it?
She's not having it. But that one looks very
Oh,
scary.
so
Oh my
wait,
gosh.
hold on. Here's it.
Demonic.
Wait, that's fine. See the hot zookeeper over there? No, but we need to some zoom.
it looks like you.
All right, let's go over to him.
My name is Joey Brown. I'm the curator here at Hope Zoo. We just want to welcome you to our beautiful Hope Zoo Kingston.
We just found out that we're going to get a chance to feed the camels. Here they are. Joey, good news. We're the VIPs.
It worked out. It worked out. Levi, come here, Levi. Let's take him for a walk over here. Let's see if she'll come. Come on, Riata. Come on, Riata. Come on. Come on. There's a little pool.
I have a magic wand. Boobity boobity boom. Make you into a spell come true.
Oh, Levi, it worked.
Levi, come on. Come on, here, Levi. Yeah. Good job, Riata. Come on.
Your magic wand is working. Boobity boobity boo. We're going to pick him after.
Yeah.
Yes, but not right now because
Hey,
remember
watch.
Joy was saying that they kick.
Yeah.
Sometimes if there's a fly, they might
Watch
do
this.
like,
I'll get
you know,
it.
the
I'll get
Della
a sneak
move.
in for him. Hold on.
So we have to be watching cool, okay? Can't just go up to him. You look at his feet.
Mommy, can you hold him right here?
Joy is going to tell us when. We're going to get to pet her. He's going to tell us when, okay? He's bringing a brush. Oh my gosh, that looks like my hairbrush.
You want to brush him?
Yeah.
So you hold this and right down the fur. Help make the fur nice and soft and fluffy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, right? She's got the longer hairs too.
Ooh.
Can you hold this?
Yeah, he's really soft, huh? Yeah, all the way up top. You saw you should try brushing the top of Moses. He's a little too tall. See, look at this. Feel this, Levi.
Oh, this one is nice. Wow.
Right? Pretty
You're
neat, huh?
so brave, Levi.
You're doing good. You're doing really good. Yeah.
Levi, we can give you a job here, you know. Brushing her butt.
You can brush and pick up poop all day long. That's pretty much what you gotta do. Feed him some grass. Doing good.
Does he like grass though?
He loves grass. They love grass. That's what they mainly eat every day.
Can I eat? Can
You can ask your mom if you want to eat some grass.
Can I get him?
You want to give us some grass? Okay, you stay right here, Levi. So you can hold that and come around the front here. You offer that. Oh. See? Told you she loves grass. You're doing good. See? Good job.
Smart guy.
You're smart. You're
Yes.
smart. Very smart.
Can I put there?
What do you need?
Okay.
The brush there?
Oh, let's brush the feet.
Look at the doodle. Look at the doodle.
Yeah. We'll do this. Good fertilizer.
Disgusting. Up. Stop climbing up. Oh my gosh. It's right in front of you. It's right in front of you on the log. Ugh.
Very disgusting.
I agree. He likes his sun though. He's like lying out there getting a suntan. I need a suntan. Stop climbing.
Guys, you want to look at this disgusting thing? Come on, look at this disgusting thing. Going for the lion in the zoo.
Oh my gosh.
See, they want to look at the ponies.
Let's go look at the ponies. Come, Rem.
Oh, she wants to push.
Rem, this is the size of the donkeys that you can go on. Like you can
Where is
sit
it?
on these.
New camera zoom. Zoom, new camera, zoom. Hey, get down, get down.
Levi, if you ever drop
If you fall in there, this is exactly, okay, let me tell you the story time. You know when you see, you know in front when the children drop in a gorilla pen and you're like, oh my God, those parents are so irresponsible. What were they doing? They were probably filming a YouTube video. Look at him. Where is he? You see? You're gonna drop in with the ponies. Irresponsible.
Levi, they don't like people very much, okay?
And they split.
Levi.
Oh, but don't frighten him.
Yeah, but I'm saying be careful. Don't go
Okay, not funny, not
Sorry,
funny.
relax.
See, he's coming closer. It's a stare down.
Staring back.
Mm.
Staring back.
Staring back, staring back. Levi, stop swinging. Be serious about the fight. Eyes him down. Eyes him down, Levi. Know your opponent. Get him. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, bro.
Get your hand on him.
Eee.
He's just eating. Look, he's eating. His name is Jacob.
How do you know his name is Jacob? Oh.
Okay, his name is Jacob, and that one over there that is not eating, that is straight, it's gonna be named Sarah.
Sarah and Jacob.
Those are his cousin's names. It's not, you don't look like your cousin. A long, beautiful eyelashes. Wow.
Tell you a lot. Whoa, look at the stare down. Ooh.
Levi, you're getting a stare down. Whoa.
Whoa, look at the feathers.
He's fluffing up his feathers, Levi.
Feathers. Mm-hmm.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, you've won, Levi. We are now heading over, so they have a petting zoo section. We just petted up some animals. And now we are going to, oh my gosh.
Levi, put it like this in your hand. All right.
Keep your hand flat. Wow, look, is he being brave again? Wow.
There you go, and then hold it up. Let her lick it out of your hand. Oh, she'll lick it through the fence.
Oh, this is where the song from Clickety Clyde, the Chinese chicken.
Right, see?
Ah, this is a Chinese silky chicken. Chickadee China, the Chinese chicken, the Brington chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, what's about this one here? This one?
Eat
Oh,
it too.
oh la 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 la! It's a tickly.
That's
Next.
lucky. There you go. Hey, Candy, leave the turkey alone. Candy's a hog. She hogs all the food. Candy.
Stop it.
Hi, Candy.
That feels so funny. I like how it feels.
I know, right? Oh, that's Lucky. You want us to be Lucky? Candy, I'll just start Candy. You want us to be? There's some more.
You don't know that song, Chickadee China, the Chinese chicken. Look at them. These are the Chinese silky chicken. Well, that looks like a cock. Excuse me. Oh, look at these little chickens. They're so cute. And there's a turkey. So around like November time, do the turkeys start to like feel away?
They start hiding.
They start hiding, right?
They go missing. We can't find them. Yeah.
Come over here.
Come.
Yeah. Ma. Mama. Me, mama, me, mama.
Over here, Lucky.
Oh wait, no, there's a hole right there. Look. Look, well, don't make the turkey come.
Candy. Oh, there you go.
It feels so funny. You want to try, Levi? Hey, wait.
He's already got 3 times.
Oh,
Yeah, we have fun.
hold your hand flat in the hole. Flat. Not like that, Levi. How many times a year does she shed?
Probably, it's
He's
usually
hard,
every
he's
maybe a couple months or so. Yeah, about every month or every 2 months.
What?
Yeah.
Jesus, a lot. It's like a period then.
It's as they grow. So like as you're feeding them, so as they're growing and stuff, they shed.
Yeah.
And so,
So that's a python?
yep.
So that's the ones that, oh no, that's a
Constrict.
bow, a bow
where's her
But they constrict too.
Oh, they do.
Yeah, that's right. Sorry? Right there.
There is a choo-choo.
Yeah, right here.
How do you know what it is?
Oh, yes.
There's a little pocket there.
How do you know? Is it a balls or?
You have to like
So-
stick your finger in there and you'll find
Yeah,
out.
yeah, you put a little probe in there.
So there's a holding for choo-choo right there. It's a secret choo-choo.
Snakes actually have 2 penises. Male
Really?
snakes. Yeah. Go, Levi.
Wait, Levi keeps feeling by the choo-choo. Feel on her belly.
Rem, you want to touch?
Can leave Remi with her juice box.
Remi's like, let's leave her
You're
alone.
interested in the bunny, aren't you?
Oh, she keeps looking at you?
Not me, the bunny.
Just a bunny. Wow, Rem. Excuse me, Remi. My mommy says,
No, but
stop looking so cute. My mommy says, no pets. Every night we read that book. My mommy says, look at them. No pets.
good job.
Joe,
Yeah.
what are you holding?
What
Crocodile, baby
should I call
crocodile.
him?
Looks like a baby lizard.
I
No,
would-
don't say lizard. Don't say lizard. Every time you say lizard, I have to look away. Baby.
All right, Levi, you hold.
You want to touch it?
But no, I
Savannah,
think
you
I
like
will.
to touch it?
Yeah.
I think I would.
Oh, Sav, you're so
She
brave.
like lizard.
Oh, she does?
Yes.
What? Savannah, did you touch the baby crocodile? It's the lizard. Did you touch a lizard?
Big
Oh
lizard.
my gosh, you are so brave. Let me see
I
that.
touched it too.
Yeah? What was it?
It was enormous big.
Enormous thing.
Oh.
Wow. What did you rename the rename the crocodile?
What's such a typical bunny name though?
Oh, cool.
Awesome.
Want to feed this one?
No.
Let's feed this one.
Oh, hold on. So she'll touch the baby crocodile, but not the bunny?
The innocent bunny. Yeah.
Stay cool, Levi. Stay cool. Stay cool.
Want to give the bunny a carrot?
Aww.
Remi,
I forgot the
Remi, you want to give the bunny a carrot?
Remi look like she want the carrot. Man, Remi put the carrot in her mouth. She's okay. Rusty's not hungry. Rusty the on diet. Oh, wait. Let it go.
No, you can hold the same.
And you don't know.
I got scared.
Yeah.
Mr. Bunny.
It's not that bad, right?
Hi guys, we are back from our wonderful day at the zoo. What did you like best about the zoo, Levi?
I like when
Did you like the camels? What do I do with this hand?
but disgusting thing when the camels doing like this.
When he was chewing like that, it was disgusting,
Yeah,
but it was interesting, right?
yeah. It was like I'm going in this disgusting tree. Uncle Timmy.
So, okay, just wanted you guys to know that we have an amazing zoo right here in Kingston, Jamaica,
We're
Hope
going
Zoo.
in this
You can check out all of the animals. They now
Mom,
have
Mom.
camels that have been added, and you can do a special VIP
And that's Remi at the
feed the
back.
VIP feed the camels, so you can get up and close with the camels, and it was actually very interesting. And then you can go over to the petting zoo. I've done the zoo before without those 2 additional features, and while it was really cool, it wasn't as interactive. Like if I'm going back to the zoo, I would definitely have to do the feed the camels and the petting zoo part about it. And I held a crocodile. Oh, I think the video is done. You guys finished. But yeah, so
Feed the crocodile.
it was a hot day. We held the crocodile. I held the crocodile. Didn't you touch it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yes, I did.
It was a hot day, but it was a lot of
Guys,
fun.
like the leaves are just like the crocodiles, but leaves
Yeah, say subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel
Subscribe.
and think
Subscribe.
you will get this. Like the video and subscribe.
Good job.